Sino-sino po ang mga pumatay?
Wala akong listahan yan, ma'am. We have to go to the... Ang bit-bit ko lang ho yung... Pinlist.
Po ba kung ilan ang arrested sa mga drug operations at how much ang drug na na-seize nung time na yan?
Ma'am, I was not notified in advance that I have to make an accounting for the arrested persons in Davao City. That would not be proper question.
Mr. Chair, sabi nyo yung accomplishment report sa inyo.
Accomplishment, yes. Accomplishment is another thing. But is it to ask for the number of arrests or killings, that would be a stupid question.
First blood.
Mr. Chair, sinabi po ninyo na aakuin nyo lahat. E di syempre may accounting din kayo, Mr. Chair. At kabisado nyo, kahit nga kabisado ninyo kung ilan ang hinuli, ilan ang pinatay, ilan. Dapat may accounting kayo, Mr. Chair. And I believe, Mr. Chair, noong 2017, correct me if I'm wrong, may President's Accomplishment Report kayo,
Yes,
Mr.
ma'am.
Chair.
Tanungin kita, where were you the other day at 4 o'clock in the afternoon?
Point of order, Mr. Chair.
Enemy double kill.
Ano sinabi ko?
2017 President Accomplishment Report meron. Sinabi nyo rin naman. Ngayon, Mr. Chair, kung ganon, handang mag-cooperate ba ang dating Pangulo sa lahat ng investigations na gagawin, Mr. Chair? All investigations.
What do you mean by lahat? How many investigations do you think that I have to participate?
Point of order, Mr. Chair.
Enemy triple kill.
That's a...
1 minute suspension.
Walang pre...
Siguro, tatanong ko na lang diretso, Mr. Chair. Yung former President ba ay willing na mag-cooperate sa investigation sa ICC? Kaugnay dito?
I'm asking the ICC to hurry up. And if possible, they can come here and start the investigation tomorrow. This issue has been left hanging for so many years. Matagal, ma'am, baka mamatay na ako, hindi na nila ako maimbestiga. So I'm asking the ICC through you
Enemy savage.
na magpunta na sila dito bukas, umpisahan na nila ang investigation.